Selecting a 9mm pistol for concealed carry requires careful consideration, with accuracy being a vital aspect. The market offers a wide array of options, which can be daunting for beginners. To streamline the decision-making process, we have compiled a list of the best compact 9mm handguns ideal for self-defense, open carry, and concealed carry applications. This selection aims to provide a starting point for navigating through the multitude of choices and finding a reliable and accurate handgun that suits your needs. Sig Sauer P365 XR. The Sig Sauer P365 XR is a compact handgun with a standard 3.7-inch barrel and a lightweight design, weighing just 17 ounces. Additionally, the muzzle adds 3 extra ounces, improving the pistol's aim and shooting ability compared to similar options in its class. One distinguishing feature of the P365 XR is its flat 2.61-inch trigger, which provides a longer pull and is particularly well suited for individuals with larger hands. The P365 XR comes with a generous 12-round magazine capacity, allowing for ample firepower in a compact package. This extended capacity is achieved through a double-stack magazine design, providing more rounds than many other pistols of similar size. Given the pistol's overall length of 6 inches, most users will find that their hands feel relatively larger when gripping this firearm. In fact, the textured grip can even enhance control over the gun. The Sig Sauer P365 XR is an excellent choice for self-defense and everyday carry. If you have the budget and are looking to invest in a high-quality handgun, consider adding this pistol to your list. Smith & Wesson M&P9 Shield EZ. The Smith & Wesson M&P9 Shield EZ is not typically considered a target gun. However, compared to other top subcompact 9mm handguns in its class, it stands out for its accuracy and handling. The M&P9 Shield EZ by Smith & Wesson features a lightweight and compact design, weighing 23 ounces and sporting a 3.7-inch barrel. Its patented stainless steel Armory finish provides added durability, making it more resistant to daily wear and tear. The M&P9 Shield EZ offers good accuracy and reliability. Its short barrel does not compromise accuracy at typical self-defense distances. The pistol has a white dot sight system that aids in quick target acquisition. The trigger pull is consistent and smooth, contributing to accurate shots. If you're in the market for an accurate and compact concealed carry weapon, the Smith & Wesson M&P9 Shield EZ is worth considering, particularly those who may have limited hand strength or dexterity. Taurus G3C. The Taurus G3C is a semi-automatic, recoil-operated 9mm handgun that offers a compact and affordable option for shooters. It comes equipped with a 3.2-inch stainless steel barrel and a 4.5-pound trigger with rest rack capability. The magazine capacity varies, with options for 10+1 or 12+1 rounds. What distinguishes the Taurus G3C from other handguns is its small and compact frame. With its 3.2-inch barrel, it is one of the smallest barrels available, even smaller than its predecessor, the G3. This makes it easily concealable for carrying in various situations, fitting comfortably inside trousers or other concealed carry options. It is priced at under $310 for a standard model, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, the availability of aftermarket upgrades further enhances its appeal, allowing shooters to personalize and modify their firearms according to their preferences. Due to its low price tag and the potential for customization, the Taurus G3C is often recommended as an excellent choice for beginners exploring gun ownership for the first time, especially those interested in compact 9mm pistols. It offers a reliable and affordable entry point into the world of firearms. Mossberg MC2S. The Mossberg MC2S is an upgraded variant of the MC1s, Mossberg's first handgun in nearly a century. It features a slightly larger 4-inch barrel, weighs 21 ounces, and is available with either 11 or 13+1 round magazine capacity. The original MC1s was already a reliable firearm, offering a lightweight and compact frame that could be easily concealed. However, like other handguns in its class, it had some handling challenges, requiring adjustments to optics and aiming for accurate shooting beyond close range. Mossberg addressed this with the MC2S, improving its handling characteristics. Furthermore, the MC2S offers great value for the price, typically retailing for around $380. While it may lack the fine-tuning and refined mechanisms of high-end pistols, most shooters should have no issue manipulating the slide or pulling the trigger. We highly recommend the Mossberg MC2S to anyone in search of a sub-$400 compact 9mm handgun. Its 4-inch barrel is manageable for concealed carry applications, and the firearm overall provides good value for the money. Springfield Armory Hellcat. The Springfield Armory Hellcat is a compact handgun known for its small size and high capacity. With a 3-inch barrel and magazine options of 11+1 or 13+1 rounds, it measures just 4 inches, making it easily concealable in a pocket without creating a noticeable bulge. Despite its small size, the Hellcat delivers impressive performance. The pistol has a high-impact barrel, meaning it packs a punch and offers excellent accuracy. Shooters appreciate its manageable recoil, allowing for quick follow-up shots. The trigger is crisp and has a short reset, contributing to precise and consistent shooting. Another advantage of the Hellcat is its optics-ready design. It features a milled slide and comes with a removable plate that allows for easy installation of popular red dot sights. This enhances the pistol's versatility and potential for improved accuracy, especially for those who prefer using optics. For those seeking a discreet, high-impact, and accurate handgun, the Springfield Armory Hellcat is an excellent choice, particularly for individuals willing to invest in its superior qualities. Heckler & Koch VP9SK. The HK VP9SK is a subcompact variant of the HK VP9, designed and manufactured by Heckler & Koch. It was introduced as a response to the demand for a smaller firearm that would be suitable for concealed carry. The VP9SK retains the striker-fired operating system of the VP9 and comes with a 10-round flush-fit magazine. The ergonomics of the VP9SK are highly regarded, and its grip is often compared to the HK-P30SK. While they share similarities, there are noticeable differences when handling them side by side. The VP9SK has received praise for its consistent and predictable recoil, which can contribute to improved accuracy. It provides a comfortable shooting experience and feels great in the hand. However, some users feel that considering its size and weight, it could have accommodated a higher ammunition capacity. Overall, the HK VP9SK offers a subcompact option with the reputable quality and reliability associated with Heckler & Koch firearms, and its ergonomics and recoil characteristics contribute